So let's go and see how we apply this method that I explained in the previous video when we look at number 1. Ball A is projected vertically upwards from the ground near a tall building with a speed of 30 meters per second. Ignore the effect of air friction. Calculate the total time that ball A will be in the air. Okay, so step 1, I write down my x, v, I, v, f, g, t. Step 2, I choose a direction. I'm going to choose up as positive just because that's the direction in which the ball is thrown. No specific reason. I just like it. Then I fill in all my obvious information. They told me ball A has a speed of 30 meters per second. And that is all the obvious information that I can see in this question. Okay, so now I'm going to look at the not so obvious information. Obviously, oh yes, the other piece of obvious information I forgot is the question that they asked. They asked me to calculate the total time that ball A will be in the air. Now the problem here is with my final velocity. In this question, they did not really ask me right in the beginning where A is going. I see that later on in the sum, but we'll get there. Okay, so now I have the total time that A will be in the air. I'm assuming that I'm throwing ball A up and then I catch it again. So therefore I know that my final velocity will be minus 30, which is the same as my initial velocity but in opposite direction. The other piece of hidden information that I have is that my gravitational acceleration is 9,8, and since my direction is chosen up as positive, I know this value must be minus 9,8. So I see I have no information regarding x, and this helps me to choose my equation, which is going to be this one. So I fill in all the values, and then I am able to determine time is going to be equal to 6,122 seconds. Okay.